Okay, this is a typical pair of the Binoviewing eyepieces, and I'm going to use them tonight to observe the planet Saturn. They include two Televue Plössl 40mm, two 24mm Panoptic, two 18mm ED, BST ED Starguider, and some other ones here, including orthoscopics. Vixen orthoscopics and Baader orthoscopic, and these are, I think, the Zeiss microscope eyepieces, and these ones are SV Boni, SV Boni aspheric 23 and 10mm, and that's the planet Saturn. And this is the Skywatcher ED 120. It's an Apochromatic telescope with the focal length of 900 millimeters and the f ratio of the 7.5. The objective of 120 millimeter, almost 5-inch. Okay, this is the Televue 40mm Plössl eyepiece, a pair of them. I'm really impressed with the quality and the blackness of the background of the sky and the clarity of the stars and the planet Saturn. I can see beautiful, pure, like those pictures you see in the books of the likes of the Flammarion, the French books, those old books from the late 19th century, early 20th century. I used to see them in the Charing Cross Road second-hand bookshops. You don't see them anymore. Those bookshops are long gone. Now you can see such pictures probably in the Larousse Encyclopedia of Astronomy, which is also translated into English, but there are also French versions. Okay, this is with the Televue 40mm Plössl. Very wide angle, you don't see much details. You just see that this is something elongated and it's not circular. I should say low magnification. Whoa! A pair of Panoptic 24mm 68 degrees eyepiece. And amazing view of the Saturn and the stars, the asterisms beside it. Amazing, beautiful. And no image can show the beauty of what you see through the eyepiece. It's amazing. It's not what you see through the eyepiece. What you see, the images I have, some completely different things. That's through the 24mm Panoptic. Okay, BST Starguider 18mm, a pair of it for Binoviewing, and you start to see more details than the Televue Panoptic and Panoptic 24mm and Televue Plössl 40mm. You see the ring in a more clear way, sharp, it's near edge on almost. Beautiful. Quite cheaper compared to Televue Panoptic. Such a joy. Beautiful view with this Baader 10mm orthoscopic pair eyepieces, and amazing. I can see a satellite or a star just above the face of the planet Saturn, and beautiful. I'm going to test it with other orthoscopics that I have. Let's just do it. I have a 25mm Vixen. Wow. Two 25mm Vixen eyepieces. Black velvet background, diamonds, stars, and a beautiful planet Saturn with the rings visible. Wow. This is a Vixen orthoscopic 25mm. It's nothing special, you can pay it a lot, you know, it's quite abundant in that sense. I know the Vixen because Vixen makes such things, although they are not written on the, maybe on the metal part of the eyepiece is written. Beautiful. Orthoscopic means just clear view. Straight clear. I say one sentence. If you want to fall in love with astronomy, look through these 25mm Vixens. Monocular or binocular, Binoviewer, doesn't matter. Beautiful views. Oh, these are two Zeiss microscope eyepieces and a pair of Binoviewer actually microscope eyepieces. They are equal to, in my view, to Televue Panoptic, with the difference that they're much cheaper. Field of view, everything very similar. Amazing. And these are two Baader Ortho, Classic Ortho. Image quality is very similar to the 18mm ED, Starguider ED 18mm. However, I see a little bit distortion. I don't know what's the reason for it, but I feel that the ED was better than this. And yeah, although the background is as black as that. Slight distortion in the ring and the shape of it. Maybe my eye placement is not correct. I have two zoom eyepieces. One of them I have to unbox it. These are the SV1E 3 to 8mm zoom, which I bought to complement the one I already had for Binoviewing. So I will do that later and just will use it. Hopefully Sky will be cooperating and we will see how they perform. At the moment I feel that I need a higher magnification, and I think those ones are really feel this gap in the higher magnification. I have 5mm Vixen also, SLV, and 6mm. So let's see. I will see what I will do. I think I have 7mm also Nirvana 12.8 or 4mm Nirvana 12. Anyway, we'll see how they will do later.